Unlock your creative potential and streamline your photography workflow with seamless, wireless tethering from your Nikon D850 to your Windows PC. First, let's get your D850 ready. Navigate through your camera's menu to the Setup tab and find the Wi-Fi or wireless settings. Enable Wi-Fi, and then select the Connect to Computer option. Your camera will then ask you to choose a connection method. For this tutorial, we'll select Direct Connection. On your Windows computer, you'll need to install and open Nikon's Wireless Transmitter Utility. If you haven't already, download it from Nikon's official website and follow the on-screen installation instructions. Once the utility is open, it should automatically start searching for available cameras. If it doesn't, look for a search or Add Camera button and click it. Your D850, which we've set to direct connection, should appear in the list. You'll see your Nikon D850 listed. Select it, and then click the Connect button. The software will then attempt to establish a connection. This might involve a pairing process directly from your camera's screen. On your camera's LCD screen, you might see a prompt to confirm the wireless connection by pressing the OK button. Go ahead and press OK to finalize the pairing. Congratulations, you should now see a confirmation in the Wireless Transmitter Utility that your D850 is connected. You can now begin transferring images wirelessly from your camera to your computer as you shoot. This allows for instant review, faster editing, and a truly flexible shooting experience. Whether you're in the studio or out in the field, enjoy your new, streamlined wireless tethering workflow.